Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another edition of What's New in Rocketlane. My name is Rahul. It's 2024, a new year, a new setup, and it's also time for a new set of updates. Let's jump right in. First up, we're super excited to introduce Rocketlane's first ever AI-based resource management solution, Resource AI. Building the perfect team for any project is not easy. You're constantly juggling skills, availability, and workloads, and it's enough to make anybody's head spin. But what if you could tap into an AI superpower that resembles your A-team with just a click? That's exactly what Resource AI does. It helps you sort through your company's roles, skills, and time requirements to curate the perfect team for any project. Whether it's for workload distribution or maximizing profitability, Resource AI has your back. And here's the cool part for people who already use Rocketlane's dynamic templates. Project details defined in your template seamlessly transfer to your project with your ideal team, complete with forecasted workloads. And if you want to fine-tune your dream team, simply click to select different team members and watch Resource AI instantly incorporate these changes. With Resource AI, you can assemble your A-team, balance workloads, prevent burnout, and maximize profitability with surgical precision. So an AI picks my team basically. Yes. Can it also navigate the dynamics of interpersonal relationships and handle individual egos when assembling a team? That's in the roadmap. Cool. For update number 2, we're proud to announce that you can now run and manage subscription projects on Rocketlane. Simply set up your subscription frequency. It could be monthly, quarterly, or yearly, and the amount your customer pays for each period, along with the number of hours they get from your team. Rocketlane will automatically create the subscription periods and effortlessly help your team track and stay within the budget for each recurring period. With our insightful financial overview page, you can see the current subscription periods information at a glance, all details of past and upcoming periods, and your overall project totals. Subscriptions will also ensure your clients benefit from the transparent and consistent billing model. By offering services through subscription-based projects, you can achieve a more predictable and stable revenue flow, allowing for better financial planning. Allocating both money and time as a recurring budget allows teams to plan resources more effectively, ensuring better project management and utilization. Yeah, speaking of subscriptions, can I borrow your Netflix account for a couple of months? For what? I'm low on cash and want to watch content for free. Oh, you should check out Rocketlane TV. What's that?
Rocketlane TV is your one-stop destination for high-quality video content for CS and PS professionals. Explore a variety of shows, podcasts, and interviews, and learn from the best.
Here's update number 3. Last month, we also introduced role-based access control on Rocketlane. With RBAC, you can ensure users have access only to the resources they need to perform their tasks, thereby reducing the risk of unauthorized access. RBAC's permission screen offers a detailed checklist giving you granular control over the resources a user can access and the actions they can perform. Whether it's viewing projects, reporting time, or managing specific project elements, RBAC adapts to your specifications. Let's say you run distinct business units in the US and Europe. You want the teams to have complete access to their own resources, but want to create restrictions from accessing the other units' projects, tasks, or reports. Whether you need to limit access based on regions, practices, or ensure exclusive permissions for specific user groups, RBAC provides the necessary flexibility without any compromises. Can I prevent other people from snooping around my projects with RBAC? I guess. Okay, Marcus, you're not getting access to my project files anymore. Who's Marcus? My manager. And for our final update, we've now enabled partial time off on Rocketlane. Users can now specify the precise number of hours they'll be off per day when applying for time off. This granular approach ensures accurate tracking and better reflects your team's availability. And this reflects across various impact areas in Rocketlane, including people performance reports, timesheet reports, task and project chats. Notably, resource management gets a boost as well, deducting the precise capacity based on the partial time off applied. Moreover, admins or timesheet approvers can now apply time off on behalf of team members. This is very useful in scenarios where a team member is out on short notice due to an emergency or simply forgets to submit their time off request. And it also provides an added layer of flexibility and control, ensuring accurate adjustments to your team's capacity and billable hours. Does that mean I can take an hour of partial time off to deal with existential dread? Depends. On what? Marcus. Damn it. With that, we come to the end of another exciting month for us here at Rocketlane. We hope you enjoyed these updates. Keep following our page for more. This is me, Rahul, signing off. I'll see you soon with the next one.